make this tasty, comforting recipe, here's everything you'll need. To start, boil 1 pound of your favorite pasta according to package directions. Place your drained pasta in a bowl and add 2 cans of tuna, a can each of cream of celery and cream of mushroom soup, milk, your canned veggies, and garlic powder and pepper to taste. Next, pour that mixture into a prepared buttered baking dish, 13 by 9 inches, and add 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. After you add your cheddar cheese, add crushed potato chips. Bake in a 375-degree oven until golden brown, about 15 to 25 minutes.